In this video, we're going to start looking at relationships formed within a triangle. All right, we're going to look at a lot of angles today, but first we got to introduce a couple new vocab words with types of lines or segments that we'll be dealing with. The first is called a tangent. And a tangent is a line that intersects a circle in exactly one point. And that point is called the point of tangency. Okay, you'll see the tangent line on this diagram off to the left. All right, it's coming from outside the circle, and it hits the circle once at point T. That's my point of tangency. Then it keeps going outside the circle. All right, next up we got a chord. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on a circle. All right, so a diameter is a special type of chord, but not all chords are diameters because a chord doesn't necessarily have to go through the center. Okay, so you see the chord over there. And then lastly, we got a secant. A secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. So a secant is basically if a chord was a line. If it was coming from outside the circle, hit our circle once, went through our circle, hit it again, and then kept going. All right, so the difference between a chord and a secant is that a chord is a segment and a secant is a line. All right, so let's look at the first relationship. So in a plane, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to a radius or diameter of a circle at its endpoint on the circle. All right, so basically we've got this tangent line here, comes in, intersects the circle once, only if this point of tangency and the segment from the center is perpendicular. Okay, so in a diagram, I'm telling you that RS is a radius, so R is the center, S is on the circle. It's asking, is ST a tangent if we've got that RT is 26, RS is 10, and ST is 24? So basically what we're asking here is this a right angle? Because if it's a right angle, then RS and ST will be perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we've got a triangle here. Let's test, is it a right triangle? So is 10 squared plus 24 squared? What's the relationship with 26 squared? All right, so 10 squared plus 24 squared, that's going to give me 676. And 26 squared is going to be 676. Therefore, these two things are equal. So the relationship between a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So yes, this is a right triangle. So is ST tangent to circle R? Yes, ST is tangent because ST is perpendicular to RS. Okay, so that's the first relationship. In the next video, we'll start talking about angles inside. Other than this 90-degree angle relationship, we'll open up to another angle relationship. Make sure to tune into the next video.